So we are going to reinstall these. We had taken them out of another place and now we've moved. And so we are going to reinstall them. I've already clipped one in, and the other ones we had actually had fancier little tabs that you put down, but we bought these in Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description for you to check it out. But I'm gonna hook both sides in first and slide it down in and pop it up. I'm also going to clean the surface of where we're going to stick it on. Make sure it's nice and clean. And now that it's dry, we're going to peel the sticky part, or the backing of the sticky part, off. I'll try to not knock stuff down behind you. This is the bigger one, right?
Yes.
So the bigger one's going to go lower, and then the smaller one will go higher. Where do you want it?
Just a little bit. Yeah.
Like right there?
Yeah.
And you kind of just get it in the right spot and eyeball whether it's level or not. I feel like that's pretty level. And then stick one side on, and then stick the other side on. And then just rub it good. Once you get these in place, then you can hook it back out and let it adhere. Maybe.
If it lets you.
Here we go. And then you can rub it in better. And then you repeat that process, and I'll show you the results once we get it all in. So it was clearly not level, so we're going to use a little level to try to make sure that it is level, because we don't want the shampoo or whatever else to kind of fall forward. So we're going to put a little level on this side. The other side was pretty good. We're going to put a level right here. Yeah, that is better right there. Slide it in. That's level. All right. Perfect. Perfectly level. Yeah, that's better. That was good that we did that. That was way, way off. All right, so this one's all nice and level, so now we're gonna put in our second one. Again, peel off the backing. It's actually much easier than it looks. And get the level. And decide the height. Where do you want it?
A little bit higher. There.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna stick the back in first. Ooh. It actually is level.
We're not sponsored by any of the products you see in this video.
Definitely not by the level company. Right, it's definitely level. Now we're going to press it all in. And once we get it a little pressed, then we will pull it out again so we can secure it. All right, so once you take it out, then you can rub it all in nicely.
Rub it in, rub it in.
And the directions say, so we remove this from another bathroom, and all you need to do is run a hairdryer on it, heats it up, and then it's supposed to come off really easy. Have not attempted that yet, but that's what they say. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.